What's the meaning of backache? Backache. Backache.
Backache. Backache. Backache refers to pain or discomfort in the back, specifically the lumbar region, lower back, and thoracic region, upper back. This type of pain can be acute, meaning it comes on suddenly and lasts for a short period of time, or chronic, which means the pain persists for more than 3 months. Backaches can be caused by a variety of factors, including poor posture, muscle strain or injury, arthritis, herniated discs, and spinal stenosis. Symptoms may include dull or sharp pain, stiffness, limited range of motion, and difficulty standing or sitting for extended periods of time. Treatment options depend on the underlying cause and can include physical therapy, medication, and surgery in severe cases.